The next concept, perimeter of different triangles. Before going that, what is perimeter? The word perimeter comes from two Greek words. The first one is peri. Peri means around. Second word is metron. Metron means measure. Thus, all sides, that is nothing but three sides of enclosed figure in a plane. The first one is in right angle triangle. Take the right angle triangle. This is the symbol for 90 degrees. What is right angle triangle? One angle must be 90 degrees. So, the vertices are A, B, C. Here, the side of BC, let it be A. Here, the side of AC, let it be B. Here, the side of AB, let it be small c. So, semi-perimeter denoted by S equal to A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. And the second one, equilateral triangle. Draw the triangle. The vertices are A, B, C. The length of side BC is A. Why? Because this is opposite to the vertex A. The length of AC is small b because of opposite vertex B. The length of AB is small c because of opposite vertex of C. But here we consider equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. That's why my side BC is also taken as A. My side AB is also taken as A. Now this is equilateral triangle. So perimeter, semi-perimeter is going to be A plus A plus A whole divided by 2. It gives 3 times of A by 2. And the next one, isosceles triangle. Take the diagram. The vertices are A, B and C. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. So the side of BC, let it be small a. The side of AC, let it be small b. The side of AB, let it be small c. But two sides are equal, that's why this C is equal to the B. So here the side AB is equal to the AC. Now What is the semi-perimeter? Going to be A plus B plus B whole divided by 2. It gives A plus 2B by 2. Please have a look.